Summer days, I still remember your name. Summer days, sweet fragrance still smells the same. The better days, just from days. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Brittany. I do makeup videos and now I'm venturing into like fitness and lifestyle and things like that. And if you are not new, welcome back. So today, as you can tell by the title, we're going to be doing a tutorial and a quick review on the new Melt Cosmetics She's and Parties palette. The main reason why I picked this up because I do own the She's and Parties eyeshadow stack. But I did go ahead and look on the website. For some reason, the stack isn't on the website anymore. At least when I checked, it wasn't there. So I don't know if they're discontinuing it or what. But out of all the eyeshadow stacks that I own from Melt Cosmetics, the She's and Parties one is my favorite because I always tell you guys I love purple eyeshadow. So when I saw they was coming out with the eyeshadow palette, I first didn't want it because this eyeshadow palette has 8 shades and 4 of the shades are repeats from the She's and Parties stack. So the repeats are Skeleton Key, Last Cares, She's and Parties, and Mean Streak. Those shades are repeat shades. They're the same ones that are in the stack. This palette does retail for $48 US. The stack retailed for, I believe, 58, or it might have even been the same price, 48. I can't remember. So I bought the stack when it first came out, which is about a year ago, 2 years ago maybe. But I love it, so I went ahead and picked up the palette. But as I was saying, at first I didn't want it because of the repeat shades, but then the newer shades are really pretty. It's Strange Love, Total Immortal, Sleepwalk, and Lost Control. So that's what made me go ahead and actually want to purchase the palette. So in this video, we're going to be doing a quick tutorial. As you can see, my base is already done. I plan on actually doing a video of how I do my base now because I've been liking my base a lot lately. So I'm going to be doing a video with that at my vanity. So stay tuned for that. So I'm going to go ahead and zoom you guys in and we're going to play around with this palette. Okay, I think that's a good zoom. So I'm going to go ahead and prime with my Fenty eyeshadow primer. I love the Melt eyeshadow formula, so I don't think the formula will be an issue for me. But I just had to use this palette on camera because it's their latest release. I love Melt Cosmetics. It is a little, their brand is a little pricey, but you're paying for like really good quality. So I don't mind it. Guys, my nails are so busted. But I haven't been to the nail salon because I'm having car issues. So I can't go get my nails done until I get my car fixed. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump right in. The first shade I'm going to take is going to be, let's start with Last Cares, which is like this really muted plum right here. So I'm first going to take that on a fluffy brush. This is the Morphe E30. And I'm going to go in with Last Cares. And I'm going to blend this into my crease. Not taking it too high because I'm going to blend the color right on top. And I love Melt eyeshadows pigmentation. Like, you get full on pigment from jump. I don't have an idea of what kind of look I want to do. I kind of want to do like a smoky type look. That's really what I want to do. And with the same brush, I'm going to go into the shade Total Immortal, which is a little bit lighter. It's a really light plummy shade. Shades like that do kind of scare me because they can look really good on me. They can go really right or go really wrong. So I'm going to take that to blend out the edges of the first shade we used, Last Cares. I'm going to take this to blend it out. Just a little bit at a time and building it up. And dipping back into Last Cares a little bit just to blend the two shades together. And then I'm gonna take this MAC brush. This is one of my favorite MAC brushes of all time. It's my favorite MAC brush of all time. This is the MAC 221 brush. I love this for really, really deep shades. And I'm gonna take the shade Mean Streak, which is the darkest matte. It's like a really, really dark plum. And I'm gonna dip, ooh, look at that beautiful color. And I'm gonna apply it directly into my outer corner and blend it upward. And look how that just like deepened up everything. Down in the corner and up. And up. I forgot which YouTuber did this, and I've been doing it ever since. But I do this with like certain looks. It all depends, but I just love the way it looks. Before I continue, I'm gonna go back into Last Cares, the first shade we use, and I'm gonna run that along my lower lash line. And then go back into Mean Streak and run it along the back half of my lower lash line. Just so it connects. On my lid, I'm gonna use a little bit of Sleepwalk, which it looks just like Mean Streak, but it's like a shimmer. So we're first gonna go in with a little bit of Sleepwalk. I'm gonna put that in the middle of my lid and blend it backwards with like this fluffy brush. This is a ColourPop blending brush, the E2 from ColourPop. Love this brush. I have like 3 of them. I love them so much. This is a really pretty shade. Like, really pretty. And I'm just going back in with Mean Streak and blending that. So, and then on the front part of my lid, I'm gonna go in with Strange Love. It's like a plummy duochrome. A really light plum duochrome. When you have like pink and silver flux in it, it's so pretty. So with the front part of my lid, I'm just gonna flip the brush over and use this shade. Y'all, I hate washing brushes, so I could use one brush for 2 shades. Ciao. Oh wow, this is gorgeous. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. But I'm telling y'all, if I was to wet this shade, the game would be over. Wet it or use my finger. This is so beautiful. I'm gonna try it with my finger. Strange Love. Yeah. That's gorgeous. Just get right up in there. Hope you guys can see. And then for my inner corner, I'm gonna use Skeleton Kiss. Even in the stack, that was my favorite shade. Skeleton Kiss is like a gold pink duochrome. I don't know how they did this shade, but it's so pretty. So I'm going to apply Skeleton Kiss in the inner corner because, oh my gosh. It's like a pinky purple, like yellowish duochrome. I'm going to make sure I blend that along the front part of my lower lash line as well because I like that look. I feel like the shade and the look needs like I can't explain it. So I'm gonna dip into my Nastasha Denona Bronze palette. I will link the review video up top, and I'm gonna dip into the shade Silk. It's a really, really light gold. I don't know why this look needs gold to me. And I'm going to apply that. Yeah, that did it for me. And I'm applying that in the corner right on top of Skeleton Kiss. Look how it completely popped my inner corner. Like, it looks insane now. I don't know why I knew that would look great, but it does. Just to further like smoke out this eye look, I'm going to take my ColourPop eyeliner in the shade Piggy Bank, which is just an all black liner. I've had this forever, like forever. And I'm going to apply some of it to my inner lash line, the inner rim. And okay, so really fast, I'm going to go off camera and liner and lashes, and then I'm going to come back and give you guys some quick final thoughts that I have on the palette. Alright everybody, so I am back. And I'm just going to be giving you guys some quick final thoughts that I have on this palette. I absolutely love it. I mean, it's no secret. I love the Milk Cosmetics eyeshadow palette formula. Oops. Like I said in the beginning, they are a little pricey, but if you don't mind paying, you know, $48 for 2, 4, 6, 8 shades, I feel it's a lot. But you're paying for a great, always great packaging and always great formula. I love this palette. So if you are really into like really nice purple plummy eyeshadows like I am, definitely go ahead and pick it up. On my lips, I have Toffee Talk. Yeah, Toffee Talk by Wet n Wild, $4 at Walgreens. But anyway, I love this eye look, you guys. I use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shades in the palette. Absolutely love this eye look. I'm obsessed. That's what you expect to get from Milk Cosmetics. So if you guys have any questions on the palette, go ahead and leave them down in the comments and let me know what you guys think. I love it. And my highlight is also Milk Cosmetics. It's Gold Ore, or no, or is it Nova? It's Nova by Milk Cosmetics. That's my highlight today. So let me know what you guys think. I give this palette a 10 out of 10. There's nothing I would change about it. This video, I hope, helps the person who, like me, were just like, 4 shades are the same as the stack, especially if you already own the stack. But the 4 shades they added are really pretty, as you saw in the swatches. And then I love the stack. So, and again, it's not available on the website, the stack. I don't know if they're not selling it anymore. I don't know what's going on, but even as the singles, I didn't see the shades. So if you don't own the stack, I would say go grab the palette. I will have a link down below because I don't know why it's not on the website. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. I love you all to absolute pieces, and I will see you all in the next one. Mwah.